Hello and welcome in this new video. And in this video, we are going to use the input function in Python. I have created another file, input, and you can put any kind of name to this file, but make sure the extension must be .py input function, and we can pass any string as a message to user, just like what is your name. This message will be shown to the user when we are taking input. Save this file and run this. Here you can see what is your name. This is a string message that we have passed here, and I have put it a bit space here, so because of that this cursor is a bit distance from this your. We can give any kind of value as an input, just like kashif, and you notice that where this kashif is gone. So because we didn't assign this input function to any of the variable, we can store the data that is coming in input, and this input function automatically returns the value to any of the variable that we are going to use. And here we can print the name. Save this file and run again. Here it's again asking for the input. I am going to give it the same input, kashif, and here you can see print function printed the exact value on the output that we have passed to this input function. We can also make this a bit cool, something like this. Hello, and what is the name? Now save this file and run. Here you can see hello kashif. This was a simple video about the input function, how we can take input from user by using terminal window in the Python. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video and share this video with your friends.